God damn it. Stop. What am I doing? God damn it. Did I forget riding? Oh, wait. She left her gas cap thing open. Or is it for the charging? Wait, I need to make her stop. But I will now pass her. Right, she got it. I don't know if that was her electric charging port or if that was her gas tank. But anyways, it's better to close it than leave it open. Hammer! Damn, why it's so cold now? My ride back will be even colder. I saw at 10 o'clock it's gonna be like it's gonna be like 16 or 17, so that's gonna be like way colder, I guess. Kids. I have something on my visor. Can you see? Oh, you cannot see that because my camera is not inside the helmet. I forgot that. So there is something on my visor. I think a dead fly. It's not a fly anymore. It's like it's substance. But yeah, something really sticky, and it made it blurry. And I have a lot of stress because of that. I cannot unnotice that. Cannot notice or cannot unnotice, I don't know. I mean, I cannot unsee that anymore. Is it unnoticed? Cannot notice, cannot unnotice. Guys, I have a brain freeze. Forgive me. And I can't talk inside the helmet. My cheekbones are really pressed by the helmet. I think that's how the helmets are supposed to be. Your helmet's supposed to be really snug fitty, if that's a word. Snug fitty, is that a word? I think so. Yeah, we'll make it a word. I'm rewriting English dictionary as we ride. Oh, that was something nice. I need to work hard in the gym so that I don't feel cold when I'm riding back home now. because it's already cold. I of course have a bodysuit armor inside my hoodie, but that's like no layer of clothes actually. It's pretty breathable, so I'm still like super cold. I don't know why it feels so good to ride today. The bike feels like really comfy. Sorry, that was like a little burst of speed or torque from my Venom. Whee! Valentino Rossi! Usually my voice is not like that. I just can't speak inside the helmet. My voice sucks inside the helmet. Unlike all of you beautiful guys who do voiceover while riding. Let's play a little game here. Okay, no. Dangerous, don't do that. Black wheels. Me like black wheels. I'm not gonna skip those. Too small. Like your ex. Oh, we have a rider here. Hey. Full leather. A guy with the full leather is something you always need to respect. I can't get leather. You know, I tried. I really like leather. I tried, but first they're super heavy, and I don't feel comfortable in them. I think you kind of break in after a while, but that's not the fact. The fact is, your boy here has a pair of very, very wide shoulders, you know. Oh, flowers! Oh, I could just like catch them. I'm gonna do that next time, if they're still alive. So, coming back to the wide shoulders subject, because of that, I need to always go one size bigger on leather suits, leather jackets. And when I do that, of course, I'm not the tallest guy in the class. So what happens is like, it gets like too long, you know. My sleeves get also too long, and I look really funny then. So unfortunately, unless I make I'll let somebody make a customized leather suit for me, or unless I buy from Asia, because I'm from Asia and I think the proportion will be a little bit better there. Oh, so cute! I like babies up until like 3 years old, because after that they become annoying, you know. By the time one of you guys are ready with your leather suit, I'm like gone, you know, with my bike. I'm like, I've already left home, and then I filled up my gas. I switched playlist on Spotify. I probably left Belgium and riding halfway through Netherlands already, towards Denmark or something. By the time one of you are ready. That's one of the other reasons why I will probably never wear leather. I don't have much time, you know. Pretty busy saving the world and stuff. Yo, you are halfway through the line though. That's not good. But okay, I'm not the police, so I'll let it slide, I guess. Whew. It's getting warm inside the helmet, like a sauna. And outside is pretty chill today. Bro, the sound! I'm in love. I'm in love. And now she's racing as well. Yeah, I have to take the exit. Let's go! Damn, Venom, I love you so much. You are not a bike. You are a musical instrument. A piano, if you will. Oh my god. I don't know. I'm not gonna say that. But you know how I feel when my Venom makes this kind of sound. Yeah, boy. I got my key. Let's go to the gym. And now, I just literally did like 5 steps now, and I'm burning. It's hot. It's not warm, it's hot. Weather. I'm gonna enter the gym with my helmet, with a camera, and I will see if somebody says anything. It should be fine, I guess. Oh, the receptionist is present. She didn't look. Right. I'm gonna take it off now. It's getting a little bit ridiculous now.